Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change a VW Golf tire. First, safety is paramount. Always park your vehicle on a firm, level surface, well away from any traffic. Engage the parking brake firmly and put your car into first gear or park. Then, gather your essential tools: the spare tire, the jack, and the lug wrench, usually found in the boot. If you have one, place a warning triangle about 50 to 100 meters behind your car for added visibility. Now let's get to work. Before jacking up the car, use your lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn. They should still be snug. Next, locate the correct jacking point on your VW Golf, typically near the flat tire. Carefully position the jack and begin to raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing it to spin freely. With the car safely elevated, you can now fully remove the lug nuts. Unscrew them completely and place them somewhere safe, like in your hubcap, to prevent losing any. Carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Push the spare firmly onto the hub, then hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs until they are snug. Almost there. Slowly lower your VW Golf using the jack until the spare tire just touches the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. This allows you to properly tighten the lug nuts. Use your lug wrench to fully tighten them in a star pattern, ensuring even pressure. Once all nuts are secure, lower the car completely and remove the jack. Finally, store your flat tire, jack, and tools securely in your boot. Drive cautiously to a service center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.